YouTube, back again with part 3 of building my dream home. We didn't get to complete putting up the pipes last week, but this week we're at it. We should complete all of the pipe work today, and that's it. So after that, the next step is just mixing some concrete and get everything done. So follow me on my journey. Later, guys. YouTube, I'm up on the roof. I don't know why I come up here today. I don't like heights, but we just have to do a thing to see what's up, We're still getting things prepared. We're almost ready to put some more pipes in. Dougie just doing some final touches. Check it out. Dougie's connecting some of the pipes, some of the drain pipes, to be specific. We're coming together slowly but surely. Take a look. That's for the drain, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna connect over there to the shower. And this one is gonna connect to the toilet and the face basin over that side. Yeah, man. As we progress more, I'll be back again. See you later, guys. They'll crunch some wall bars to put up on the decking. Now cut some more. You have more ready for me? Eh? You haven't done already. Yeah, you too. You have to do what you have to do. bars are very important. They have to go on top of the decking. So for support. So when they're gonna lay the block for the next floor, they put the block over this. You know. Want some more steel, brother? Look, how much I go do? How much I go do? Boss sweat, brother. Blessing YouTube. As you can see, finally all the pipes are finished. We have to thank God, you know. It's been a long day, progressive day. Take a look, guys. Right here we have the electrical pipes. Over there is the wastewater pipes and the internet pipes. So everything is complete, ready to go. In part 4, we're going to be putting up the concrete on the building. Thanks for watching. See you again in part 4. We're going to deck finally. Some concrete is going to go on the building. We're going to get this finished. Thanks, guys. See you later. I see you, we are put up. I'm not even going to edit it. Me not even going to edit it. Yo. YouTube. Anyway.
Daddy,